I got it working. Yes, as you can tell, folks, you can definitely see my PC. Well, now you can't see it, but now there it is. Got it fixed. Finally got it fixed. Oh look, one of my friends is playing a game. Yay! He's in the video now. Yay! All right, just real quick. Thank you so much again for your support. I know you guys have been waiting for stuff to come out. I'm also going to release a little preview very soon. What's going to be happening, the whole thing. So I'll release this video real quick. I want to say we're back. It's good to be back. The piece is finally working again. Got a couple new games, so I want to look for to try them out. I gotta get invited to work on my rosters, so I need to rebuild that, and it's gonna be crazy for this week. So I could be really unresponsive, but I'll do the best I can to reply back and catch up all the stuff that I missed. Because I know I'm gonna have to talk. I'll probably will talk about a lot of things when I have the opportunity to get all this stuff done in time. But I'm the Azure Blaze. I'm signing off for now. Thank you, and hopefully, good night. And I'll hopefully upload this video if I can. Let you guys know, yay! It's working again! My computer's back and running, up and running again. It feels good to be back, and yeah, as you can tell, my birthday was back in the summer. Oh, I still got this stupid screen. They're holding the cake for me. How wonderful. Take care and good night. Blaze on! Azure Blaze, signing out.